Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is EthanDiiulio and we're about to pull the engine out of this. Well, we actually already did, but it might look like there's an engine in there, but we already took it out. It's sitting behind the go-kart over here. But doing this video in a little bit of a different style, I'm just testing out a couple different things just to like test out different video styles and stuff, so let me know what you guys think of it down below. But yeah, I'm just testing out a couple different things. It's a little bit of a short video because all we really got to do is pull the engine out, but pretty soon we're going to start mocking some stuff up on the go-kart. As you can see, I have the gauge cluster out, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put this somewhere right up in here, and we're going to connect all that stuff. So we're going to have the gauge cluster from the Snowmobile, and of course we got the engine back here. Throw this in here, and we got to mock all that stuff up. So that is what we have to do. Right now, I'm going to take off the entire basket thing, I guess you could say, but I'm going to take that whole thing off so we have more room to work with the engine and all that. One more, and then this thing is going to fall right off. There we go. Still a little bit of gas in the tank, but whatever. There, and we got the tray off. We're gonna set it on the roof. So my plan back here is to build a custom tray that kind of sits up here that we can put the gas tank, oil tank, coolant tank, all that stuff. We did some measuring. The engine's probably gonna have to sit around in this area, back a little bit further than we wanted, but that might end up helping us in the end because it might give us enough room to run the stock pipe. It'll go up and then go right around and out. And with this cage, we're gonna cut this middle bar out, cut a couple things off of it, and hopefully we should be able to run that as well and kind of keep the stock suspension geometry how it is, and then we'll figure it out from there. But we have to start taking stuff out of here first before we do anything more.
Is any of that other stuff? Grab some of the stuff on the seat.
Alright, we got the sled up on jack stands. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to take the hood off, and then we are going to pull the engine, take all the components out, and then start mock fitting everything up on the back of the go-kart here. Alright, so here we are. The engine pulling phase of this project is done. Got the go-kart engine pulled, got the snowmobile engine pulled. Now it is time to start the next phase of mocking everything up in the go-kart, getting everything ready for this to go in. You guys have already heard me explain it before. Got the engine out, sitting over here. Definitely going to clean it up some. I'm almost thinking about painting this red. I think that would look really cool. But if anybody wants Yamaha VMAX 600 parts, private message me on Instagram or something. My Instagram's always in the description. So if anybody needs VMAX parts, let me know. I don't know what we can ship or not, but I'd be happy to help anybody out who needs parts from a snowmobile like this. So just let me know down below if you need anything. I'll see if I have it on here. Yeah, it is time to start the next phase of the project. Well, I'm not sure when the next video will come out. I'm not sure how much time we will have to start mocking everything up because it's going to be a big process because the engine mounting, the mounts that we're going to have to make are going to be really weird. It's going to be a really odd setup. We'll figure it out though. I'm not too worried. It's going to be really cool. So time to start the next phase of this project. Alright, that'll do it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed. So yeah, like I said, got the engine out and got to start mocking some stuff up. Got to get this thing ripping with 100 horsepower. So that'll be pretty cool. A lot of stuff to come in the future. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. There's a lot more to come on this project in the future. So yeah, I'll see you next week. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.